Stop scrolling. If you have ever struggled with how to use music to double your focus, this video will change everything. Here is the problem. Most people completely misunderstand how to use music to double your focus. They follow outdated advice and never see real results. That ends today. Why does how to use music to double your focus matter so much? Because in productivity and time management, this single concept separates people who succeed from those who stay stuck. First key insight: start with the fundamentals. Research shows that mastering the basics outperforms chasing advanced strategies by 3 to 1. Second, consistency beats intensity every single time when it comes to how to use music to double your focus. A small daily action creates more progress than one massive effort. Third, your environment and systems matter more than motivation. Design your setup so that how to use music to double your focus becomes the easy default. Here is what to do right now. Take out your phone, set a reminder, and commit to one specific action before the end of today. One more thing that surprises most people: the biggest breakthroughs with how to use music to double your focus happen when you step back and let the process work. To recap, master the basics, stay consistent, design your environment, take action today, and trust the process. If this helped you understand how to use music to double your focus, smash that like button and subscribe for daily productivity and time management content. See you tomorrow.